Okay, we just finished Ram 1500. He added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the unit. This is another one we did. You know, the guy only had the truck for like 2 weeks and they busted out the keyhole and stole everything inside the vehicle. So we wanted to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So basically we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. So because what happens with these alarms, they only work when the door's open. So you can bust out everything, you know, get in. As long as you don't open any of the doors, nothing's gonna happen. So by adding the shock sensor incorporated to the factory alarm system, you don't have to carry another remote control around, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of having this beautiful remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. Go ahead and shut off the alarm. It does protect the tires. They try to bust out the lug nut locks. Yeah, I'm gonna fire off too. So it gives you nice protection around the vehicle. It is a crucial update. I highly recommend anybody who has one of these trucks to go ahead and do an upgrade on it, on the factory alarm systems. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.